Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on the Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap on the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Trade, then use the search bar to find USDT. Next, select USDT or Tether, then tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, for example, $2. Then tap Review Order. Finally, tap Confirm Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. That's how you buy USDT on the Revolut app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.